Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another function of Python, which is signage. So signage function is mainly used whenever you want to calculate the hyperbolic of sine. In that case, you can utilize this signage function. So what it will do, it will take one input parameter and accordingly it will calculate the hyperbolic of sine. So to use this function, first of all, we need to import the module. So I'm importing the module. My module name is math, in which we can find this signage function. So I just imported it, import math, and then we are using this function. So there are a couple of scenarios I have noted down with different input parameter and different output parameters. Okay, so look at the first scenario. Here what we are using math.signage function, and as an argument I am passing the value as 0. So what it will do, it will calculate the hyperbolic of sine of 0, so which would result as 0 0.0. So let's verify the same. So to verify, I will run this program over the terminal. So I'm writing python session 77.py and hitting enter. So the first output we got is 0 0.0. Now focus on the second scenario. In second scenario, we are passing the value as 1. So when you try to calculate the hyperbolic of sine for 1, it would result as 1.17520 something. Now look at the third scenario. So there could be one question, can we pass negative value in order to calculate the hyperbolic of sine? Yes, we can pass. So third scenario is for that only. We are passing the value as -2. So whenever we calculate the hyperbolic of sine for -2, it would result as -3.626 something. Okay, so it is totally dependent on your input parameter. Whatever the parameter you are passing, accordingly it will calculate the hyperbolic of sine. But just make sure that you are providing the valid value, because if you try to insert some characters here, then it will for sure give the error, right? Now focus on the fourth scenario. In this fourth scenario, what we are doing, we are calculating the hyperbolic of sine for the value 10. So when you calculate the output would look like this: 11.11013 0.2328 something. Okay, now next question could be, can we pass decimal value? Yes, we can pass. So here I am passing the decimal value as 0.01. The syntax is almost same for all the scenarios. We are just checking for the variation of input parameters. Okay, so 0.01, if you calculate it, it would result as 0.010 something. Now focus on the sixth scenario. In sixth scenario, we are passing the decimal value, which is equal to 2.5. So when you calculate the hyperbolic of sine for this 2.5, the output would be 6.0540 5024 Clear? Okay. So far what we did, we just pass all the values directly. But let's say if you want to pass the value through variable, in that case you can utilize this seventh scenario. Here I'm storing the value first in variable, which is x variable, and then that x variable I'm passing as an input parameter to the signage function. So it calculates the value, which is 0.5210 9530 549 37474, which is a hyperbolic sine for 0.5. Okay, so yeah, this is how we can utilize this hyperbolic of sine or signage function. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.